What's up, guys? JB here at Staxx and Packz. We are doing 2021 Gold Standard Football Random Teams number 3. 3-box number 3. Good luck, everybody. All cards ship. Here we go. Box number 1. Okay, let's do it, baby. Get a shield. Actually, it's too big. First card. That's nice. We got Saquon Barkley to the New York Giants. 4/49. Yeah, these cards are so nice. Gold Standard's pretty underrated. 4/49, and it's going to go to, let's see, Giants are Michael S. Michael S. Let's see. Next numbered card up is TJ Watt. It is 24/99 for the Steelers. 24/99 Steelers. Brian Browns. All right. Here we go. Michael Thomas and Alvin Kamara. 41 of... Ooh, that's jersey number. Kamara's jersey number. Nice. 41/299. That's going to be a golden pair dual patch and going to the Saints. The Saints are Brian Browns again. Jersey number... Dang, jacked on the back there. Just noticed that. Big ding on the back corner there. Michael Thomas might not be a Saint much longer. Alright, next card. Anthony Schwartz, rookie, 24/299, newly minted. It's a patch for the Browns. Brian Browns. Anthony Schwartz. We have a golden pairs, another dual patch. That is DJ Moore and Robbie Anderson, 196/249 for the Panthers. The Panthers, dual patch, golden pairs. Jerry Knight. Make sure that one's not dinged like that other one. Alright, we should have a couple autos here now. Good luck. First up is... I've seen the T and I've seen the Jag. Come on. Tyson Campbell, 14 of 49, rookie auto. Jaguars going to Mike P. He is cornerback for the Jags. 4 of 49. And we have, that's nice, going to Mike, the Eagles. Devonta Smith, triple patch auto rookie, 90 of, or is that, yep, 90, no, I'm sorry. It's 30 of 99. Jeez, so hard to read. 30 of 99. That's nice. There you go, Mike. That's not a worst. I know he's a little banged up right now, but he'll be back. It's pretty sweet. Top wide receiver. One of the top wide receivers in the draft from the Eagles. Devonta Smith to 99. Let's see. There we go. Let's do box number 2. Alright, box 2. We need to hit one of those quarterbacks like that, though. Alright, come on. Big hit, come on, let's go. That's not bad. 182. It's not a worst. Let's see. Up first, box 2 is a Azeez Ojulari, rookie for the Giants. New York Giants hit again. Going to Michael S. What's up, Shapiro? How you doing? We got a numbered card of Brett Favre, 3 of 25 for the Packers. 3 of 25 Packers. That is Brian Browns. Then we have a Russell Wilson gold gear patch, 132 out of 199 for the Seahawks. Stan Spencer, I think that's his team too. Seahawks, player worn. TJ Hawkinson, we got the mother load, 253 out of 299. Detroit Lions, Brian Browns. 5 away relic. TJ Hawkinson. DeAndre Swift gold gear, numbered to 199, 100 of 199. Detroit again. Brian Browns. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Come on. Cornell Powell. I'm tired of this guy already. 20 out of 25. Chiefs rookie auto. I've seen enough corn autos. Cornell Powell going to the Chiefs. It's going to go to Mr. Brian Browns, 20 of 25. Let's go, baby. How about a Zach Wilson? 8 of 25. New York Jets. It is a one-color patch auto. New York with the hit. Kevin View. Got a little stitching up here. One color. 8 of 25. There we go. Finally a QB RPA. Let's go. Rookie jersey autograph jumbo. Let's go, son. Heard he sucks. But what's new? It's the Jets. It's gonna take a while for him to not suck when all that's around him is suck. Sam Darnold's probably like, I'm glad I got out of there. Kevin. Nice QB hit. It's the first QB out of the case. As far as patch auto, the Mac Jones was just an auto to 15. We got one more box. Here we go. We either need to see a 1 of 1 or a Trevor Lawrence. It's one or the other, Panini. I'm not playing around anymore. Tired of your crap. Man, I can feel the back card. It feels weird. Has potential. There's potential for something on the back. Alright, here we go. Last box mojo of break 3. First up is Mr. Mac Jones, numbered to 99. It's 99 of 99. We've got an eBay 1 of 1. 99 of 99 or 66 of 66. Either way you look at it. And it's going to go to the Patriots, and that's Mike. Who? Mac Jones. Who? Let's see. Pat Freiermuth, 21 of 25. Steelers rookie. That is Steelers, Brian Browns. Dang it. Let's see. Up next for... Ooh, that's cool. That's nice. White gold to 199. Drew Brees, Saints. Brian Browns again. White golds are one of my favorite patch cards. I think they look super cool. White gold Breeze. There we go. Let's see. Up next we have Jerry Jeudy, patch to $2.99. Gold Rush, Broncos. Brian Brown's again. Jerry Jeudy. Let's see. Next, golden pairs of Trevor's wide receivers. DJ Shark and Laviska Shenault. I think I've literally pulled every Jag out of this case but Trevor now. 23 of 299 going to Mike. Golden pairs, Shark and Shenault. Maybe that means there's a Trevor in this case then. Two cards remaining. First up, oh my God, come on. Andre Cisco, another Jag rookie, 32 of 49. I'm not even kidding. I've hit so many Jags out of this case. It's nuts. Mike. Come on, baby. Come on. One card to go. One time. Oh my God. Another Jaguar. That's unreal. Travis Etienne Jr. to 149. Dual patch rookie auto. Another Jag. It is 90 of 149. That is crazy, dude. This is the second Etienne RPA out of the case as well. Literally pulled Jag after Jag. No T-Law yet. No sighting of T-Law. Actually, let's Magworthy, yeah. He's one of the top running backs. And it is a dual. Put it in a mag. Number 4, the last 3 boxes are on the site. If we can fill it tonight, that would be cool. I mean, I'd love to see what's in the last 3 boxes. I'm going to do a recap of this break in just a second here. Let me get this one magged up. If you want a personal, there's no line for personals right now. I mean, there's been some decent hits from the case. It's just like, I think that Zach Wilson's probably the biggest card of the case, I would think. Not 100% sure, but I'm guessing that that is the biggest card so far. Actually, this card's being a pain in the ass. I'll see if I can put it in something later. Let me get a recap going. Staxxandpacks.org if you're new, if you want to check the site out, see if there's anything you want to get into. Here's a recap of the break. We had that Cisco rookie auto to 49, golden pairs, dual patch, Shark, Shenault, Jeudy to 299, the white gold Breeze to 199, Pat Fryermouth rookie to 25, Mac Jones to 99. Cornell Powell to 25. Swift to 199 patch. The Motherlode, T.J. Hawkinson to 299. Let's see. Out of 199, Wilson. He had Favre at 25. Ojulari out of 99. Tyson Campbell auto to 49. Golden Pairs, DJ Moore, Robbie Anderson. And the rookie patch out of 299. Anthony Schwartz, the Browns. Kamara jersey number. Michael Thomas Golden Pairs to 299. TJ Watt to 99. Saquon to 49. Travis Etienne Jr. dual patch auto. Jags to 149. Devonta Smith triple patch auto for the Eagles out of a 99. And the big card of the break would be the Zach Wilson. That is the rookie jersey autograph jumbo. 8 of 25 for the New York Jets and Kevin. Congrats, Kevin. That's the break. Like I said, number 4 is on the site already. If we can attack number 4 right now, that'd be awesome. Get that thing going. Thank you guys for filling this one up. Appreciate it. A picture of this.